The nervous new boy.
Hi, are you new here? Yes, today is my first day. Really? What is your name? My name is Leo. I'm Lina. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Why are you standing here? I don't know where to go. Oh, which class are you in? Class 5. Me too. We are in the same class. Really? Yes, come with me. I will take you. Thank you. Are you scared? A little. My hands are shaking. It's okay. Every new student feels shy. I don't know anyone here. Now you know me. I am your first friend. My old school was small. Our school is big. You will like it. Do students here shout? Sometimes in lunch break. Do teachers shout? Only when we don't do homework. My teacher in old school was very strict. Our teacher is kind. Good, I feel better. Where is your house? Near the park. Oh, I live near the bakery. Bakery, I love cake. Me too, chocolate cake forever. Is our class far? No, just straight, then left. Okay, I will follow you. Do you have friends in this city? Not yet. Don't worry, today you will make many friends. Are you sure? 100% sure. My bag is heavy. What is inside? Rocks? Books and lunch and water bottle. You packed your whole house. Lina, thank you for helping me. You are welcome. Friends help each other. Can I sit beside you in class? Yes, sit next to me. Okay, I feel better now. Good. Let's go inside.
Inside the classroom.
This is our classroom. It's big and colorful. Yes, look at the wall. We have drawings. Wow, you made these? Some are mine, some are friends' drawings. They are beautiful. Sit here, this is my seat. Can I sit next to you? Of course, you are my friend. I feel a little scared. Why? New school, new people, new teacher. Don't worry, everyone is nice.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, I see a new boy today.
Yes, ma'am, I am new. Ma'am, his name is Leo.
Welcome, Leo. We are happy you are here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do you like our school?
Yes, it looks nice.
It is a friendly school.
Ma'am, Leo was scared outside. A little.
It's okay. Many children feel shy on the first day.
I don't know anyone.
Now you know Lina, and you will know everyone slowly.
I will help him, ma'am.
Good girl. Leo, you can sit with Lina.
Yes, ma'am. I feel safe with her. Safe? Am I bodyguard? Haha, yes, super bodyguard. I don't have muscles, but okay.
Leo, where is your bag?
Here, it is heavy. What did you bring? Bricks? No, books and lunch. 2 days lunch? No, 1 day lunch.
Lina, open the window.
Yes, ma'am. I like this class. See, I told you. Lina. Yes. Can we be best friends? Yes, 100% best friends.
Lunchtime.
Lina, it's lunch break, right? Yes, I'm hungry. Me too. My stomach is making noise. Mine is dancing inside. What do you have for lunch? I have rice and egg. You? I have bread and jam. Nice. Can I smell it? Smell. Sweet and yummy. Do you like jam? Yes, especially strawberry. Same, strawberry is the king of jams. Yes, king jam. Here, take one bread. Really? Thank you. Friends share, right? Want some rice? Rice with egg? Yes, try a little. Delicious? My mom makes it. Your mom is a super chef. Do you miss your old school? A little. Why? I had one friend there. Only one? Yes, I was shy there too. It's okay. Here, you have me. And maybe more friends. Yes, after lunch. I will introduce you to my group. What do your friends like? Talking, eating, laughing, same as us. Good. Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. I like skipping rope. I can skip too. Really? How many times? Maybe 5. Only 5? It's hard, the rope hits my face. After lunch, we will play. Okay, but don't laugh if I fall. I won't laugh, promise. Pinky promise. Pinky promise. Lina. Yes. Thank you for sitting with me. Why thank you? Because I was lonely, now I am happy. I don't like lonely lunch. Friends eat together. Today is a good day. Tomorrow will be good too.
Playground time.
Come on, Leo, let's go play. Wow, this playground is big. Yes, we can play anything here. What do you want to play first? Skipping rope. Oh no, the rope will hit my nose. I will teach you properly. Hold the rope, like this. Okay, am I holding right? Yes, now jump when the rope comes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You jumped too early. My legs were nervous. Try again. I did it. Now your turn. Watch me. Whoa, you're a skipping robot. I practice every day. Maybe I will practice too. Want to play football now? Yes, I love football. Okay, kick the ball to me. Ready, kick. Leo, the ball went to the tree. Sorry, my foot is confused. Let's bring it back. Lina, are you tired? A little, but playing is fun. Yes, I feel happy. You are smiling a lot now. Because I am not scared anymore. See, new school is not scary. Not scary, because I have a friend. And we will be friends every day. Thank you for being kind to me. You are welcome. Kindness is free. Lina, you're my first friend here. And you are my new good friend.
After school, goodbye.
Did you like your first day? Yes, at first I was scared, but now I feel happy. Good. New places feel scary in the beginning. But with a friend, school feels easy. Aw, that's sweet. Lina, thank you for helping me today. You are welcome. I like helping people. Nobody talked to me in the morning. Because they didn't know you. Now many kids know you. Yes, they smiled at me. Tomorrow, you can talk to them too. Lina, you're my first friend in this school. And you are my new special friend. Special, really? Yes, because you are kind and funny. I was crying in the morning. And now? Now I am smiling. That is the magic of friendship. Lina, can we play after school someday? Yes, we can play in the park. Great, my house is near the park. Then it's easy. Okay, I will go now. Take care, Leo. You too, Lina. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. And remember. What? Don't cry tomorrow. I will not cry, I promise.
At the shop.
Mom, look, that's Leo.
Who is Leo?
My new friend from school. Hi, Lina. Hi, Leo. What are you doing here? Buying groceries with my dad. Mom, this is Leo.
Hello, Leo.
Hello, Auntie. Leo, this is my mom. Nice to meet you, Auntie.
Nice to meet you too, Leo. Lina told me about her new friend.
Really? Yes, I said you are funny. Funny? I am funny? A little bit. This is my dad.
Hello, Lina. Hello, Auntie.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Leo, what are you buying? Bread, eggs, and juice. We are buying apples and milk. Apples. I like apples. Then take one. No, my dad will buy.
You two look like good friends.
Yes, Mom. He didn't cry today.
Lina, don't say that.
Leo, say goodbye. We will go now.
Okay, Dad. Bye, Lina. See you tomorrow. Bye, Leo. Don't forget chocolate. I will bring two. Mom, Leo is very nice.
Good friends make school happy.
Yes, Mom. I am happy today. Thank you for watching my story today. The name of the story is My New Friend. Today, I learned something important. When we smile, talk politely, and show kindness, it's easy to make a new friend. A good friend makes school and life happier. This was our simple English learning story for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We will bring more easy English stories, simple conversations, and daily English practice for you. If you have any doubt or any question, you can comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.